Question 26. Fiza has 10 coins in a bag. So he's got a bag, there's 10 coins in it. There's 3 £1 coins and 7 50p coins. Fiza takes, at random, 3 coins from the bag. Work out the probability that she takes exactly £2.50. So you should be thinking to yourself, there's these coins in the bag, there's £1 and there's 50p's. How can she get £2.50? Well, how do you make £2.50 with only 50p's and £1 and you only take 3 coins? Well, it's got to be that you take £1 and £1 and a 50. So she could take £1 and £1 and 50 first. So I'll write that down as £1, £1, 50p. Okay? Or she could have taken £1, then 50p, then another £1. Or she could have taken the 50p first, then taken £1, then taken another £1. There's no other way of doing it. They're the only ways she can do. Okay? Now, the probability of each of these happening. What is the probability of getting £1, then £1, then 50p? Well, in the bag there's 3 £1 coins to begin with out of 10 coins. So the chances here of getting £1 is 3 out of 10. That's the probability. The chances or probability of getting another £1 is then going to be 2 out of 9. And then the probability of getting that 50p is 7, because there's 7 of them, out of, and there's now, because another coin's gone, there's now 8 coins in the bag. To work out the probability of those 3 things happening, so getting £1, then getting £1, then getting 50p, you've got to multiply them together, like that. So you get the probability of those 3 things happening. So the way we're going to work out that is just multiplying fractions. 3 times 2 times 7, so 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42. That's going to be on the top. On the bottom, 10 times 9 times 8. So 10 times 9 is 90. 90 times by 8, 99 times 8 is 72. And it's 90 there, so it's 0. So 42 over 720. So you're going to do that for all of them. So to get the £1 here, it's going to be 3/10 again. To get this 50p, it's going to be, well, there's 7 of them and there's 9 coins in the bag. And to get this one, there's now going to be 8 coins in the bag and there are £2 coins. Now if you look, 1098, 1098, so the bottom's going to be 720 again. 327, 372, same numbers multiplied together, so it's 42. So it's always going to be 42 times 720. So I could actually just write that straight away now, but just in case, I'll just do it again just in case. So 50p is 7 out of 10 times by 3 out of 9 times by 2 out of 8. Yep, same numbers on top, same numbers on the bottom. So that is 42 over 720. Now, remember the question says work out the probability that she takes exactly £2.50. We've worked out the probability of getting £1 and £1 and 50. Then we worked out the probability of getting £2.50 another way and getting £2.50 another way. So all in all, there are 3 ways of getting £2.50. So overall, the probability of getting £2.50 is all of these 3 ways added together. So we've got to do 42 over 720 plus 42 over 720 plus 42 over 720, and the nice thing is that the denominators are all the same. Be careful on these questions, if you start cancelling stuff you end up with different denominators and you make it harder for yourself, so don't bother cancelling until it actually asks you to, and if it does, just do it at the end. So it's going to be something over 720 because the denominator stays the same. 42 plus 42 plus 42, so 40 plus 40 plus 40 is 120, 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, so 1, 2, 6 over 720.